In this week's tech tip, we'll be looking at a website for tutoring help at PaperCo. You'll be able to get tutoring for your classes, homework help, and essay feedback 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Now go to paper.co website. Then log in on the far right, find Wilcox High School. Then you'll log in with Clever. From there, find Wilcox again, and then log in with your Google Gmail account. When you've logged in for the first time, it will prompt you to check your email as well as then change your password. After that, you will sign an agreement that you agree to a code of conduct. Now you're in your dashboard. As you scroll down, you can see all of your classes selected. You can select any one of them to ask a tutor for help. This is an example of a chat going through a math problem. Once you're done chatting, you can always go to your dashboard to upload any essays for review. You would find the location where it's at, upload it, then you can decide what language you want to get support in, as well as what class it is tied to, and then any instructions the teachers have, and any comments that you want to have. Scroll down to the bottom, and then push the button Review for Submission. Here is an example of what a tutor review could look like for an essay. This is how you can get free tutoring 24 hours a day, 7 days a week from paper.co. If you find this helpful, once again, pay it forward and help somebody else find tutoring for their classes.